Hi guys, let's unbox and review DOOGEE S90 lock phone. DOOGEE S90 is the super flagship modular lock phone in 2019. I make videos only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We have the best price. We will send DOOGEE S90 lock phones from our Hong Kong or Shenzhen office warehouse digitally. Global send. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver DOOGEE S90 lock phones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video, and I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order digitally. If you want to make B2B business of DOOGEE S90, you can contact with us. We have the best price. Okay, now let's continue to unbox it and review it. DOOGEE S90 have three versions to choose: standard package version, power version, and super version. This one is standard package version. It have two colors, black color and orange color. We can see S90 expand more possibility. And 6GB RAM, 128GB long. This one color is black color. Okay, let's take it out and to review it first. SIM card slot. It supports 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Here's the button, power on off button. The button quality is very good quality. Here's Type C, the USB port. DOOGEE S90 is a modular lock phone because you can choose the gate mode, wireless charger mode, and walkie-talkie mode, PTT and walkie-talkie mode, power band, power mode, and night vision camera mode. You can choose different modular to connect from here. Here's a connector together. Fingerprint sensor, 4 LED flashlight. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box for the standard package. We can see it will come 1 piece charger, Europe charger, and 1 piece very good quality Type C to OTG cable, Type C USB cable, a jet pen. At Japan, we can see here's a warranty certificate. This is manual. That's all. Okay, let's have a look. Another version. This version is power version. What is the power version? Power version, it means power band in the color box. Here's the power band, magnetic power band, 5,000 mAh battery, magnetic power band. It is, let's connect to have a test. OTG Type-C OTG cable. Let's turn it on. Okay, this is a magnetic power band. Let's turn it on to have a look. The first comment is DOOGEE logo. According to my professional opinion, I think DOOGEE S90 is a absolutely very successful design modular RUGGED phone. We can see all the Google applications, include Google Play Store. Here's a night vision camera, walkie-talkie, and the gate model, face unlock. Here's a tool bag. Here we can find all the useful applications for outdoor, like compass, sodometer, and bolometer. Let's have a It is a very good design RUGGED phone. It have another color. Let's have a look. Another color. This one is orange color. Black color and orange color. Okay, we can have a weigh the phone's weight. Let's have a look. Its total weight is 304 grams. And let's have a test again for the power band together. Its grams is 444 grams. Super. We can see that's all. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. Thank you for your watching.